Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, question number 3 solved by factorization. Part A is 3x squared plus x minus 10 over x squared minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Now, what we have to do? We can solve this question by using the two methods. The first, we can shift the whole denominator on the other side of equal, so it will multiply with the 0. So 0 multiplied by any value is equal to 0. Then the second method, we can multiply the both sides with the denominator. So now 0 multiplied by any value equals to 0. So 3x squared will remain same plus x minus 10 equals to, now the whole denominator will multiply with 0. So 0 multiplied by x squared minus 7x plus 6 would become 0. Now we got a quadratic equation and we can apply factorization method. So for factorization, multiply the first term with the last term. So 10 times 3 would be 30. Now the factors of the 30 which are valid for this equation, 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30 and 6 minus 5 is 1, which is the middle term. So there is no coefficient, it means the coefficient is 1. So addition or the subtraction of these two factors should be equals to 1. So first term we will bring same 3x squared, then minus 10 also will remain same, the last term equal to 0. At the middle one, it becomes plus 6x and minus 5x. Now we need to take LCM. We need to take the common here. So what is the common in the first two terms? 3x is common. Now, in the first term, only x is left. In the second term, 2 is left because 3 times 2 is 6. Then in the second one, minus is common, then 5 is also common because we can count the 10 from 5 times table. So x plus 2. Whenever we will take the negative sign common, so rest of all sign will change. Negative sign will change into positive and positive into negative. Again we will take the common. Now here x plus 2 is common and 3x minus 5 is left, which is equal to 0. Then we will put separate both the factors here. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then same as it is, 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we will shift the constant value on the other side of equal, so it becomes minus 2 here. And there we will shift first the constant side on the other side. Constant value, it becomes plus 5. And now we need to shift the coefficient of x because we need to find the value of x. So it means there should not be any value with the x. So coefficient always will divide when we will move on the other side of equal. So it becomes 5 by 3. Now we got the two factors of the x are the two values of the x. X is equals to minus 2 and 5 over 3. Part B is x squared plus x minus 6 over x squared plus 5 equal to 0. Again, we will apply here the same method. We will shift the denominator on the other side of equal. So it will multiply with the 0 and it becomes 0. So our equation would be x squared plus x and minus 6 equals to 0. Now we will apply factorization method. So here first we will multiply the constant value with the coefficient of x. There is no coefficient, it means it would be 1. So 6 times 1 becomes 6. But the factors would be 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 minus 2 would be equals to 1, which is the middle term. There is again no coefficient, it means it would be 1. So now we will bring down the first value same, x square. Then the middle one becomes the plus 3x and minus 2x, then minus 6 equal to 0. And here we need to take the common from the first two and the last two terms. What is common here? Only x. So x plus 3 is left. X plus 3. Then minus 2 is common. So here x plus 3 is left because minus is common, so the sign will change, it becomes plus. So plus 2 times 3 is 6, so x plus 3 equal to 0. Then we will take again common, so x plus 3 would be common here. The second factor becomes x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will put both the factors separate. So x plus 3 equal to 0. Then same, x minus 2 equal to 0. So now, so x equals to minus 3 and x equals to plus 2. We got the two values of the x, minus 3 and 2. And 2. Part C is x square minus 9 over 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So we will shift the denominator on the right side of the equal. So it will multiply with the 0. 0 multiply any value becomes 0. So now what's left behind? Only x square minus 9. X square minus 9 equals to 0 multiplied by 7x plus 10. So x square minus 9 equals to 0. So here we will shift the constant on the other side of the equal. So it becomes the plus 9. And after that we need to take the root on both sides to remove the square. So here we will take the root, and then with the root we have to place the plus minus sign. Now square and the root will cancel out, so x would be equals to plus minus, and root of the 9 is 3. So then we got the two values of the x is equals to minus 3 and plus 3 are the 3. Plus 3 and the 3 both are the same.